Okay guys, today we're going to be doing the Nerf Gun battle with my dad. So as you can see, I colored half of it with red and the top, so it looks cool. And choose one now, Dad. Come on, let's go. Okay, got it ready. Dad, do you have goggles on?
I do.
Okay, I have a mask on, guys. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go.
I'm jammed! Time out for a reload, gun.
Okay guys, sorry about that, my dad's Nerf gun jammed. So we have to do take two. Get back to your small one, bro. Okay, now ready?
Yep.
Go.
Oh, I'm out. Oh no! Oh, he got me! Oh no! I surrender. Oh, I'm wounded. Oh, I'm down. Oh.
Okay, guys. Hey guys, apparently the Nerf war changed to a manhunt. Yeah, you guys know.
Oh, mercy. Oh no.